In the world of manufacturing, precision is paramount. Industries demand components with intricate geometries and tight tolerances. To meet these exacting standards, electrical discharge machining, or EDM, has emerged as an indispensable technology. EDM is a non-traditional machining process that uses electrical discharges to shape conductive materials. At the heart of this process lies the EDM electrode, a critical component that directly impacts the accuracy, efficiency, and quality of the final product. This essay delves into the world of EDM electrodes, exploring their significance in precision machining. We will examine the EDM process itself, highlighting the crucial role electrodes play. Different electrode materials, including graphite, copper, and hybrid options, will be discussed, showcasing their unique properties and applications. Furthermore, we will delve into the importance of partnering with a reliable EDM electrode supplier like Erodex, emphasizing their commitment to quality, customization, and customer satisfaction. EDM, also known as spark erosion machining, is a non-traditional machining process that utilizes controlled electrical discharges to remove material from a workpiece. Unlike conventional machining methods that rely on mechanical cutting tools, EDM harnesses the power of electrical sparks to erode material with extreme precision. The EDM process involves creating a precisely controlled spark gap between an electrode and the workpiece, both submerged in a dielectric fluid. As voltage is applied, the dielectric fluid breaks down and an electrical discharge, or spark, occurs. This spark generates intense heat, reaching temperatures as high as 12,000 degrees Celsius, which vaporizes a small amount of material from the workpiece surface. The EDM process is highly controlled and repeatable. The electrode, guided by a CNC machine, moves along a predetermined path, eroding the workpiece to the desired shape. The dielectric fluid plays a crucial role in the process, acting as an insulator, coolant, and flushing agent. It helps to concentrate the electrical discharge, dissipate heat, and remove eroded particles from the machining zone. In the realm of EDM, electrodes are often overlooked, yet they play a pivotal role in determining the success of the machining process. They are the unsung heroes, responsible for transferring the electrical discharge and shaping the workpiece with precision. The choice of electrode material and design significantly impacts the machining speed, accuracy, surface finish, and overall efficiency of the EDM process. EDM electrodes act as the tool in the process, carrying the electrical discharge and eroding the workpiece to create the desired shape. They are typically made from materials with high electrical conductivity, good thermal stability, and excellent wear resistance. The selection of the right electrode material depends on several factors, including the type of EDM process, sinking or wire, the workpiece material, the desired accuracy and surface finish, and the overall cost-effectiveness of the operation. The electrode's shape is equally crucial, as it directly influences the final geometry of the machined part. Electrodes can be fabricated into complex shapes and intricate designs, allowing for the creation of intricate cavities, slots, and contours that would be impossible to achieve with conventional machining methods. The precision and detail achievable with EDM electrodes make them indispensable in industries demanding high accuracy and complex geometries. Graphite electrodes are widely used in EDM due to their exceptional versatility, excellent machinability, and ability to achieve fine details. Graphite is a highly conductive material with good thermal stability, making it suitable for a wide range of EDM applications. Its low coefficient of thermal expansion ensures dimensional stability during the machining process, resulting in high accuracy and precision. One of the key advantages of graphite electrodes is their exceptional machinability. Graphite is a relatively soft and brittle material, allowing for intricate shapes and complex designs to be easily machined using conventional machining methods. This ease of machinability translates into reduced electrode fabrication time and cost, making graphite electrodes a cost-effective choice for many EDM applications. Furthermore, graphite electrodes exhibit excellent wear resistance, particularly at elevated temperatures experienced during the EDM process. Their ability to withstand the erosive forces of the electrical discharge ensures a longer electrode life, reducing the frequency of electrode replacements and minimizing downtime. Section 5. Copper electrodes, for when durability matters. While graphite electrodes excel in many EDM applications, copper electrodes offer distinct advantages when durability and high material removal rates are paramount. Copper, renowned for its exceptional electrical conductivity, exhibits superior thermal conductivity compared to graphite. This enhanced thermal conductivity allows for faster heat dissipation during the EDM process, resulting in higher machining speeds and increased productivity. The inherent strength and hardness of copper make it an ideal choice for applications involving tough or abrasive workpiece materials. Copper electrodes exhibit excellent wear resistance, particularly when machining hardened steels, exotic alloys, or materials with high carbide content. Their ability to withstand the rigors of machining these challenging materials ensures a longer electrode life and reduces the risk of electrode breakage. Moreover, copper electrodes are particularly well-suited for applications requiring high material removal rates. The combination of high electrical conductivity and thermal conductivity allows for larger discharge energies to be applied, resulting in faster erosion rates and reduced machining times. This characteristic makes copper electrodes a preferred choice for roughing operations or when machining large cavities. Section 6. Hybrid electrodes, combining the best of both worlds. In the pursuit of optimizing EDM performance, hybrid electrodes have emerged as a compelling option, combining the advantages of both graphite and copper. These electrodes typically consist of a copper core coated with a layer of graphite, leveraging the strengths of each material to enhance machining efficiency and precision. The copper core of the hybrid electrode provides excellent electrical and thermal conductivity, facilitating faster machining speeds and efficient heat dissipation. The surrounding graphite layer offers exceptional wear resistance and machinability, ensuring a longer electrode life and the ability to create intricate electrode geometries. This combination of properties makes hybrid electrodes particularly well suited for applications demanding both high accuracy and high material removal rates. The copper core enhances the speed and efficiency of the process, while the graphite layer ensures precise detailing and a fine surface finish. Section 7. Erodex, your partner in precision machining. In the realm of EDM, the quality and reliability of your electrode supplier can make or break your machining operations. Erodex, a leading supplier of EDM electrodes and tooling, understands the critical role these components play in precision machining. With a steadfast commitment to quality, customization, and customer satisfaction, Erodex has earned a reputation as a trusted partner to manufacturers worldwide. Erodex offers a comprehensive range of EDM electrodes, including graphite, copper, and hybrid options, to meet the diverse needs of various industries. Their electrodes are sourced from reputable manufacturers and undergo rigorous quality control measures to ensure consistent performance and reliability. Recognizing that one size does not fit all, Erodex specializes in providing custom EDM electrode solutions tailored to specific customer requirements. Their team of experienced engineers works closely with clients to understand their unique machining challenges and design electrodes that optimize performance, accuracy, and cost-effectiveness. Section 8. Industries and applications where precision reigns. The demand for high-quality EDM electrodes permeates a wide array of industries where precision and intricate detailing are paramount. From aerospace and automotive to medical devices and mold making, EDM electrodes play a vital role in shaping the components that drive innovation and technological advancement. In the aerospace industry, EDM electrodes are instrumental in creating complex turbine blades, fuel injectors, and other critical components that demand exceptional accuracy and resistance to extreme temperatures and pressures. The automotive sector relies on EDM electrodes for manufacturing intricate molds and dies used in the production of engine components, transmission parts, and body panels. The medical device industry depends on EDM electrodes for their ability to create miniature components with intricate geometries, such as surgical instruments, implants, and microfluidic devices. Mold making, a cornerstone of various industries, utilizes EDM electrodes to produce high-precision molds and dies for injection molding, die casting, and other manufacturing processes. Section 9. Conclusion. Choose Erodex for EDM excellence. In the world of precision machining, EDM electrodes are not merely consumables, but essential tools that directly impact the quality, accuracy, and efficiency of your operations. Choosing the right electrode material, design, and supplier is crucial for achieving optimal results and maintaining a competitive edge. Erodex, with its unwavering commitment to quality, customization, and customer satisfaction, stands as a reliable partner for all your EDM electrode needs. Their comprehensive range of electrodes, coupled with their expert consultation, ensures that you have the right tools to meet your most demanding machining challenges. By choosing Erodex, you gain access to not just high-quality EDM electrodes, but also a team of experienced professionals dedicated to your success. Their commitment to providing tailored solutions, technical expertise, and exceptional customer service makes Erodex the ideal partner for achieving EDM excellence. Contact Erodex today to discuss your specific EDM electrode requirements and experience the difference that quality and expertise can make in your machining operations.